Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram activity visible with Active Now status. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Press on 3 line. Now scroll down. Click on messages and story replies. Click on show activity status. If you want to make your Instagram activity visible with Active Now status, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to make your Instagram activity visible with Active Now status in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.